Meaning of electrodynamics.
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 Electrodynamics. Electrodynamics is a branch of physics that studies the interaction between electrically charged particles and how those interactions affect electromagnetic fields. It encompasses both classical and quantum theories, and has numerous applications in modern technology, including telecommunications, energy production and storage, and medical imaging. By understanding the behavior of electromagnetic fields, scientists and engineers can develop new technologies and improve existing ones. Electrodynamics also contributes to our understanding of the fundamental nature of matter and energy, as well as the structure of the universe.